Pleasure. When you're bringing scientists from different backgrounds and when they interact, they really produce something new. And a great example of that was the textbook of nanoneurosurgery.
It's difficult for young scientists to publish in a top journal. You need to start at the bottom, or you need to have a breakthrough and you may make it to the stars.
We published a paper that we developed technology that can use ultrasound to control a specific type of neuron, this kind of technology. When we published that, then the clinicians or the neuroscientists, when they see these publications, they will come to us.
So my most recent publications focus on chimeric antigen receptor T cells, CAR T cells for glioblastoma. This is a new and upcoming treatment, and I think that having more people read about it and understanding what's going on in the field of immunotherapies is going to help push the field forward.
So research is a fundamental aspect of what SBMT is all about. Research is huge in SBMTs. We really think it's our responsibility as an organization to put out policy, but also to back up that policy, we want to have good data, good evidence, evidence-based medicine.
When you publish a work in the journal, then other colleagues will learn what you are doing and about what you are working on, what you are doing. That's the way of the communication, I think, between us. That's the scientific communication.
The question is, through publication is the way that we speak, to the audience. Publication, of course, conferences. Okay, this is a way, that we, whatever we're developing all of these years, we just summarize it and put it, on a 5-6, piece of papers, so that it becomes available to anyone. That can be used.
I think dissemination of information, whatever you do, through publication is critical in science as journal. And SBMT has taken a stand to come out with their own journal and publication books, which is important, I think, to educate people what society does. And the student who does 3 to 6 months of fellowship and then come out with some outcome of the project they do and then they publish, I think it's very important.
Writing is good for articulating what your thought processes are. So I think a researcher needs to not rely on what AI writes for you. No, you need to rely on your competence skills on what you write yourself.